skin. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time you are watching. Welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's vlog, as you can see from the title, it's going to be another self-care essential haul or Watson haul. And I think every once a year ko lang ata ito ginagawa or nagagawa. So for this year of 2024, this is going to be another video of a haul. So ito yung mga napamili ko, guys. So as you can see, I have here the pink na lalagyan, and we also have here the Watson one, and we also have a blue one, and we have here the Landmark na lalagyan. So, ito yung mga napamili ko, guys. So, for this vlog, guys, ang mga ipapakita ko sa inyo na mga napamili ko is yung mga perfumes or colognes na mga nabili ko. And of course, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung mga 2024 self-care essentials na bagong pinamili ko. And also, guys, I'm going to show you my 2024 new journals and planners. And I'm also going to have a book recommendations dahil sobrang dami ko ng libro ngayon, guys. And last but not the least, I'm going to show you random things. So yun, guys, yung mga ipapakita ko sa inyo sa vlog na to is yun nga, perfumes, the Watson haul, may new journals and planners, may book recommendations, and random things. So ayun, guys, before I start this vlog, kung hindi nyo pa napapanood, guys, make sure to watch this vlog na. So this was my self-care essential haul or Watson haul last year, nung 2023. So kung hindi nyo pa napapanood, guys, make sure na i-watch nyo na. And also, guys, kung hindi pa kayo nakakapag-subscribe sa YouTube channel ko, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So without further ado, wag na nating pahabain pa ang intro na to. I'm very, very excited for this vlog. Without further ado, let's hop onto the video. So ayun, guys, I decided to start with my Watson one dahil yun naman talaga yung purpose and title ng vlog na to, diba? So, Watson. So, ito yung napamili ko, guys. So, ito siya. This is every girl's happiness talaga. Like, especially kapag ka-teenager ka na like me. So, ito siya, guys. So, let's start. So, let's start with the first one. And yung first one, guys, hindi talaga to kasama sa pinamili namin. Pero isasama ko siya sa haul kasi essential siya. So, this is the first one. Bawas na siya, guys. So, this is an alcohol. Actually, hindi lang siya isa, dalawa siya. And as you can see, bawas na siya. So, this is the first one needed. I think, kahit sa last year na Watson haul ko, I started with an alcohol because this is really an essential. So, I have this one. I think this one is BTS and my mom gave this to me. And to be honest, hindi ko siya dinadala sa school kasi it's big. But I use this here in my room. Pero I think dadaling ko na siya sa school. And yung second one is ito. It's also an alcohol. And ito naman, guys, hindi ko to masyado ginagamit sa kamay ko. Ginagamit ko siya, guys, talaga for my room, like for my bed, for my clothes, for the surroundings here, and for the things and everything. So, ayun, guys. This is an essential because before we touch our face or kapag lumalabas tayo, in school, wherever we go, we really need to sanitize and we need an alcohol. Okay, so now let's move on to the second one. So for the second one that I see here is this one. Ito siya, guys. It's an Olay Natural Aura in color yellow. So I bought three. I bought three of them. So ayun, guys, kung loyal kayo sa YouTube channel ko since 2021, imagine, guys, it's 2024. I've been vlogging for 4 years na. So ayun, guys, if you're loyal to my YouTube channel, you guys know na I have this attitude talaga na once na it works for me, hindi na ako magbabago. Like, it's not my thing talaga na magpabago-bago pa. So, eto pa rin siya, guys. So, ayan. This is for my skincare. I bought 3 of them para hindi agad maubos. So, ayun, guys. Sobrang highly recommended ko talaga tong Olay na to. Like, pag tinatanong ako kung anong skincare routine ko, eto talaga yung sinasagot ko. Kasi, sobrang recommended ko siya sa mga ma-pimples, lalong-lalo na sa dark spot, as in, ito talaga yung nag-cure ng dark spot ko, and it also works with dry skin and oily skin. So, I highly recommended this, and also, sobrang affordable lang talaga ng price niya. Okay, so now, let's move on to the third item. So, for the third item that I see here, I have here my, ito siya, guys. Oh my God! wait. So, yan. So, I have here my baby powder. So, ayun, guys, it's 2024, pero hindi pa rin talaga ako ma-face powder na type of girl. Though meron akong ganon, pero I think I will use it this month. Okay, this month. But, ayun nga, guys, baby powder pa din ako. So, ito yung binili ko, guys. Color white lang siya na plain. Ito yung bago. And etong luma, dami pa rin siyang laman. So, yeah, that's for the third item. So, we have the baby powder. And for the fourth one, guys, I have here, eto. This is a chicken lip tint. So, ayun guys, I know I've said this a lot of times in my YouTube channel, here in my YouTube channel. And alam ko sinabi ko na rin siya sa ganitong vlog ko last year, but I'm going to repeat it again for my new girlies out there. So, my recommendation guys, for you to prevent pimples and acne is to use a different tint for your cheeks. So, ako kasi talaga lip tint talaga yung ginagamit ko sa cheeks ko as a blush on kasi kapag ka-powder, feeling ko ang bilis niya matanggal kasi medyo pawisin ako. So, cheek tint talaga na liquid. So, ito yung ginagamit ko, guys. It's from Everbelena Lip and Cheek Stain. So, ayan. So, ito yung ito yung luma. I think ito yung luma ko. Ayan, ang dami niya pa talagang laman. As in, hindi ko pa siya nakakalahati. And this is the new one. It's 200 pesos. So, ayan. So, yan yung fourth one. So, ayun guys, iba yung gamitin yung lip tint. Kung lip tint yung ginagamit nyo sa cheeks nyo, iba yung gamitin nyo sa cheeks and iba dapat sa lips kasi it's more hygienic and for you to prevent pimples and whatsoever, the bacteria, germs, and viruses. So, ayun. And for the fifth one guys na binili ko, I have here my lip tint. Ayan. So, ayun guys, kagaya na sinabi ko, ako po talaga ay sobrang loyal na kapag yun yung gusto ko simula noon, yun na forever. What works for me, yun na yun. So, hindi ako nakahubad guys ha. I'm wearing a long dress na tube. So, eto siya guys. So, eto pa rin siya guys. It's an Everbelena Blush Rush. So, nagbago na yung packaging nila. And sa mga nagtatanong naman guys kung anong shade niya, it's Toast of New York pa din. So, ayun. And ito yung bago ko. It's worth 165 pesos. And ito yung luma ko. And, ayun guys, yun, hindi pa rin ako nagbabago ng shade. And, sinabi ko na rin to sa dati kong vlog, but ayun, ito, I highly recommend this lip tint kasi sensitive talaga yung lips ko, guys. Like, hindi siya pwede sa mga, ba't ba ako hinihinga? Hindi ako pwede sa mga mumurahing lip tint lang. So, ito, sobrang affordable lang ng price niya. I highly recommended it kasi sobrang ganda ng shade. And marami pang shades na mapagpipilian. And also, ayun nga, hindi nagsusugat yung labi ko. And, ayun, mabango din siya. I only use it for my lips para mas hygienic nga kagaya ng sabi ko kanina. And also, don't mind my lips guys. Ayun no. As you can see, it's very, very dry talaga. As in, hindi siya dry, nagbibitak-bitak siya kasi I'm about to have my period na. And every time na I'm about to have my period, nagaganyan talaga siya. So, don't mind it. So, ayun guys, this is for the fifth item. Okay guys, so for the sixth item, we got here this one. So, yan guys, I bought this one again and again. This is an Abonespa Milk Salt Moisturizing, Whitening, Smooth, and Baby Skin. So, I've been using this since before na guys. And, I don't know I think parang wala naman siyang help. Ewan ko, hindi naman sa wala. Kasi I use this for my underarms, for my tuhod, for my elbows, for my bikini area. So, ayun guys, when it comes to my underarms naman, maputi naman yung kilikili ko and I think na may maintain niya yung color. And pagdating naman sa tuhod ko, I think okay naman. Pero pagdating sa elbows ko and bikini area, I don't think may nagagawa siya to lighten it up. So, yun lang naman. I think I'm going to lessen using this year para mas matipid. And I think I'm going to try other products talaga for those parts of my body. Because I want to lighten it up pa. So, I'm going to try other products talaga to lighten it up. But I'm still going to use this. And sobrang bango nito guys. And ayun, hindi ko na siya masyado gagamitin para mas tipid. And maghahanap na ako ng iba pa bukod dito. So, yeah, that's the sixth item. And for the seventh item guys, I have here this one. I'm very, very excited to show you this. So, yan. Alam nyo ba guys, second filming ko na to netong part na to kasi hindi na save yung kanina. So, sayang, ganda pa naman na expression ko doon. But, ayun guys, I'm so excited to show you this one. So, I bought this. This one is Vaseline Lip Care. It's a lip therapy. So, ayan. It's kind of expensive kasi ang liit niya lang. But, yeah, I understand. And I'm very, very excited nga kasi guys, sobrang tagal ko nang gusto gamitin lahat ng to. Pero lahat sila, hindi ko talaga sila ginalaw, hindi ko sila binuksan. Inantay ko talagang i-film tong vlog na to. Ganun kayo ka-importante sa akin. Ganun ko kabuhay yung vlogging. And ayun, gusto ko talaga pag pinapakita ko siya sa inyo guys, hindi pa talaga nagagalaw, hindi pa nabubuksan. And I'm so happy kasi magagamit ko na siya maybe tonight or tomorrow. So, I don't think if I'm just going to use this every self-care day, self-care night, or every time na nagaganito yung lips ko, or every day. I'm not sure. Let's see. But yeah, I'm very, very excited to show you this one. I really need this kasi nga, yung labi ko, I think, halos every week nga ata ito nagbabalat. As in, para siyang ahas na nagpapalit yung balat niya every week, I think. So, this is the 7th one. And for the 8th product, guys, I'm also very excited to show you this. So, this is, yan! So, this one is Fresh Lemon Aloe Citrus Mint. This is a breath mist. It's, lemon. So, ayun. I'm very excited. So, ayun guys. I don't know. I'm so excited to buy this kasi, alam niyo yun, like for example, when you go outside or when you're in school, parang ang sarap lang sa feeling na kapag medyo matagal ka nang nandun, you're just going to spray. Para, alam mo yun, confident ka pa rin and you know na when you interact to other people, your breath still smells good, diba? And, ayun, I'm just so excited for this one. And I'm finally going to use this na because I'm fucking filming right now. So, yeah. And for the 9th item, this is also for my mouth. So, eto siya guys. This is a toothbrush. Nothing new, nothing special. I just bought color green because it's my new favorite color since last year. And ayun guys, lagi kasi ako naka-pink na toothbrush or violet. So, green naman ngayon. So, ayun, hindi mabaho yung hininga ko, guys, ha. Disclaimer lang, I'm not bad breath, okay? I just invest in things like this. So, I'm just very, very happy because I can use it na. So, ayan siya. Like, I'm so happy kasi it's a new investment, you know? Little investment. This is self-care. So, yeah, that's for the mouth. So, we have the lip care, we have the breath spray, and we have the new toothbrush. And for the 10th item that I bought, I'm also very excited for this. So, this is a concealer. Why am I excited? Okay, let me explain myself. So, I think this is the first official makeup na talagang gusto kong bilhin. Kasi, yung mga ginagamit ko, guys, na face powder or cheek tint, lip tint, syempre basic lang yan, di ba? I mean, yung mga eyeshadow ko or highlighter, si mommy talaga yung bumili. Hindi ko yun hiningi, talagang binili niya lang. And, guys, ngayon 2024, kasama talaga sa plans and goals ko is talagang matuto na mag-makeup. I mean, marunong ako mag-makeup, obviously. Pero yung gusto kong matutunan na makeup is yung talagang, like, Dennis Julia, you know. So, ayun guys, little by little. So, yun, nag-start ako ngayon guys, bumili nitong concealer. And I think next ko is foundation, ganyan, face powder. Yung talagang face powder na hindi yung baby powder, ah. And, gusto ko rin, alam niyo yun guys, gusto ko mag-ipon ng mga new blushes, other shades, like lipstick, hindi na yung puro lip tint. Like, gusto ko talaga mag-aral, mag-makeup, guys. And I started na bumili ako ng makeup tools. So, meron ako doon. Binili ko siya. So, ayun, guys. I'm so excited for this. Sobrang nilulook up ko talaga yung mga girls na ang galing-galing mag-makeup. So, yeah, we'll get there, okay? So, this is Maybelline Fit Me Concealer Lightweight Natural Coverage. So, yeah, this is a concealer. Nothing new. So, yeah. I need this kasi nga medyo madami na akong dark spot. And, also, nagkakaroon tayo ng eye bag. So, yun. I'm so excited to use this. And we only have 2 left na lang dito sa lalagyan ng Watson. So, for the 11th one na meron dito, nothing special din. So, ayan. This is a Silk Organics Facial Wax Strips. So, ayan guys. I use this for my underarms. I don't shave my underarms kasi nakakaitim daw. So, yeah. Actually, hindi lang pala... Hindi, may dalawa pa palang natitira din sa lalagyan. So, this is the 11th one. And for the 12th item, I'm also very excited to show you this, guys. This is nothing special, okay? Don't judge me. So, this is a tawas. Why am I excited? I'm going to explain myself again, okay? Don't come for me. So, ayun guys, kaya ako excited dito. Bibigyan ko kayo ng fact. Alam nyo ba guys, wala akong pinapahid sa kilikili ko na deodorant. As in, wala talaga akong pinapahid. Kung may nilalagay man ako sa kilikili ko, it's all only Safeguard and also Abone, which is, ang tagal ko na wala ng Abone kasi nga naubos. And ayun nga, itong strip, ginagamit ko to, pero minsan lang din kapag talagang mahaba na yung hair and nakasando ako. Kaya yun guys, I'm very excited kasi ang saya lang, like may nilalagay akong tawas. So, I love tawas kasi sabi nila nakakaputi daw talaga to and antibacterial and iwas amoy. So, yun lang, ang liit ng kaligayahan ko, sobrang saya ko lang. Like, oh my God, nagdadalaga na ako. Charot. Pero hindi, ayun nga. I'm so excited lang. Tawas siya. And yun. You put this every time na kakatapos mo lang maligo. Wala siyang scent. And also, tinanong ko rin yung kapatid ko kung nauubos ba to kasi parang hindi nababawasan. Pero natutunaw pala siya. So, yeah, it's a tawas. And for the last but not the least item na nandito sa lalagyan. Like, ayan siya guys. Isa na lang yung laman niya. And for the last, we have here this one. So, ayan. So, this is a hair treats, hair spa. So, this is like a conditioner. So, yun. Sobrang bango niya. Like, I can smell it right now. Let's smell it. Actually, hindi. May harang pa siya. But, no. Hindi pala pwede. Ito na lang yung bubuksan. May harang. Hindi, ito na pala. Oh my God. Katangahan spotted. Oh my God. It smells so good. Like, I literally want to take a bath right now. So, it smells so good. So, yan. I'm so excited na magagamit ko na rin siya, guys, dahil na-film ko na tong vlog na to. So, yeah, I have here a conditioner for our hair. Okay, guys. So, ito yung lalagyan kanina. And, ayan, wala na siyang laman. So, yeah, we're done with this one. So, now, let's go. And we're going to move to the next one. So, for the 14th and 15th item, I bought this one with my own money again and again. So, yeah. I bought 2 of them. Okay, so this is done. I don't know if dito or what. But it's, I don't know if Danto, L, or I don't know. Basta parang Darcy. I don't know. Basta this is a perfume. So, I bought 2. So, yung pink, this is for me. And yung nasa blue, this is for my mom. I bought her a perfume. Just a random gift. Okay. So, okay, let's see. Let's see. Itong pink muna tayo. Siyempre, dito muna tayo sa akin. Hindi ko rin alam. So, ito siya, guys. Yan. I think bibili ako ng maraming ganito from them. Like, bibili pa talaga ako kasi sobrang affordable lang talaga ng price nito. So, ayan siya. So, ayan. Okay. So, ito, guys. Another fact for me. Mahilig ako sa pabango and mahilig ako sa mga amoy baby na scent. Legit. Like, gusto ko yung baby. So, let's smell. Sayang hindi yung maaamoy. Yung amoy niya, guys, baby. So, yun. It's baby. Kaya lang, guys, hindi ko alam na akala ko ini-spray siya, like, tinatanggal, tas ini-spray. Mahilig din kasi ako sa pabango na ini-spray. Ayoko nung cologne na ginaganon. But good thing na lang talaga na meron akong binili sa Shopee. Insert ko dito yung picture. Baka kailangan nyo. So, ayan. Bumili ako ng ganyan. 3 ganyan para sa mga pabango ko. Kasi nga, gusto ko talaga ini-spray. Feeling ko kasi, mas kumakapit siya sa dito ko, sa hair ko, sa clothes ko, sa akin, overall, kapag di-spray, kesa yung ginaganon. Feeling ko hindi siya masyado maamoy kapag pa-cologne. So, ayun lang naman. So, yun yung sa akin. And, let's move dun sa gift ko kay mommy. So, itong gift ko naman kay mommy is color blue. So, ito siya, guys. So, ang scent nito, I forgot. Hindi ko may explain yung scent niya. Okay, I can explain na. So, mabango siya. Like, yung amoy niya is, pang-baby din siya. Medyo pang-baby din siya na parang panlalaki, ganon. Yung violet kasi parang pa-cute girl. And ito, parang siyang panlalaki na pang-baby. Gets nyo ba? So, ayun. Actually, hindi lang din eh. Kasi parang siyang panlalaki na pang-baby. Pero pwede talaga siya sa age natin. Gets nyo ba? Like, pwede siya sa adult. Ganun yung scent niya. Hindi siya yung scent na pang-baby na sanggol talaga. So, ayun. Parang pwede siya talaga for teenage, adult, and you know. So, yeah. That's for the 14th and 15th item. Guys! I filmed so tagal. Like, nag-film ako, guys. Like, 5 minutes ata yung film ko na clip. Tapos, guys, it doesn't save. Hindi siya nag-save. But okay, it's okay. I love vlogging. So, i-repeat ko na lang yung sinabi ko dun sa clip na yon. So, ayun, guys. We're done now with the perfumes and colognes. Naiiyak ako kasi ang dami ko nang sinabi doon and na-express ko na yung sarili ko tapos hindi siya na-save. But, let's move on na. So, ayun guys, napakita ko na sa inyo yung mga perfumes and colognes and napakita ko na rin yung Watson haul ko. And dapat talaga yung next is yung journal ko and planners and yung book recommendations. Kaya lang kasi, medyo natatagalan tayo doon. So, I've decided na mag-go muna tayo sa random thing na binili ko. So, yeah, this is just the random thing that I bought. Pero nandito na siya sa labas kasi nga, I already filmed it na. Sadyang, hindi lang siya nag-save. So, ayun guys, for the year 2024, I have, for this part of the vlog pala muna guys, I'm going to share some things bago ko ipakita sa inyo tong random thing na meron ako. So, ayun guys, for the year 2024, it's going to be the Arkin 4.0. And kung hindi nyo pa napapanood tong vlog na to, make sure na i-watch nyo na. And also guys, kung hindi nyo pa napapanood tong vlog na to, watch this vlog to understand me better. So, ayun guys, for this year 2024, I have a lot of things talaga na gusto kong i-change sa sarili ko. And I have a lot of plans, goals, and dreams. And to be honest guys, I'm so genuinely happy every time na nagkukwento ako sa inyo about sa mga ganito guys. It makes me so happy because whenever I'm vlogging and I'm speaking with you guys, ang dami kong nare-realize na bagay. Like, ang dami pumapasok sa utak ko habang nagsasalita ako. And also, naalala ko kung ano talaga yung mga talagang plano ko, you know. Like, parang napupunta ako sa pwesto ko, like, sa path ko. And ayun guys, I realized then this year na I really love heels and I'm so into heels and I need it. So, I'm going to start investing na din. So, insert ko dito yung mga picture ng mga heels na bibilin ko but pinag-iipunan ko pa siya. And ayun, you guys know I love bags as well. So, ayun guys, yung mga little things like that. Like, for example, this one guys, my lash. I got it done, pero medyo numipis na siya. Sobrang kapal na to guys nung bagong lagay. Kaya lang kasi magto 2 weeks na siya this Thursday. So, medyo nabawasan na siya. And also guys, little things like this. Nails. So, ayan, I'm never broke. I just appreciate na, you know, may mga changes talaga. Like, nag-upgrade ako. I just appreciate it. Kasi nga, yun, nagdadalaga na nga talaga ako and I'm maturing na. So, ayun guys, I just appreciate it and I'm just so thankful. And ayun, sobrang na-appreciate ko nga siya guys. Kasi guys, alam ko na sabi ko na to before, but ulitin ko na lang ulit na almost all of my makeups, all of my clothes, my accessories, my shoes, my bags, my other school stuffs, and some of my kaartihan in my room, and yung mga alis ko with my friends, almost all of it is from my own money. I have this small business and also talagang nagsisave talaga ako ng pera sa school. So, kaya ganun ko na lang pahalagahan yung mga gastos ko sa lash ko, sa nails ko, everything. It's because it's from my own money. Hindi ako humihingi. Kung hihingi man ako, yeah, minsan. Pero talagang almost all of it talaga is my money. Kaya ganun ko siya pahalagahan and na-appreciate ko siya because I know the value of money. So, ayun guys, for the random thing that I'm going to show you, dahil nakailang film na nga ako, wala na tuloy siya sa loob ngayon. So, ito lang naman siya guys. So, I bought this from Shopee. So, ayan. I bought this one. And I'm going to put the link in the description box dahil baka interested kayo. So, ayun guys, I bought this one. It's for gym, you know, it's very sexy and it's a Nike and sobrang ganda ng quality niya. And yung price niya is I think 300 plus pesos. So, ayun, ang ganda ng quality niya. It's so beautiful. Affordable lang naman din siya. And, ayun lang naman. So, papakita ko na lang siya sa inyo kapag ginamit ko na. So, ayun guys, I already show you the perfumes and colognes. And I already show you my Watson haul and also that one random thing. And, ayun, I know na sinabi ko kanina na I'm going to show you my 2024 journal planners and I'm going to have a book recommendations. Kaya lang guys, I'm so sorry. Napagod ako i-film tong vlog guys kasi sobrang dami ko talagang dinaldal kanina. As in, 5 minutes. Like, I think naka-4 or 5 take ako ng 5 minutes. Bali, all in all, 25 minutes lahat. Pero hindi sila na-save, guys. Like, hindi na-save. Kaya nakailang ulit ako and napagod ako. And to be honest, medyo nawala ako sa mood. And ayun, I come to a realization na yung journal, planner, and yung book recommendations ko, guys, gagawin ko na lang siya ng separate vlogs para din hindi kayo maboard panoorin tong vlog na to and hindi kayo mahirapan tapusin. So, ayun. I'm just going to make a different vlog for the journal, planner, and book recommendations. Maybe tomorrow or next week. So, ayun lang naman, guys. Before I end this vlog, I want to have a little message with you guys. So, ayun, guys, this March 31, 2024, it's been 1 year since I started my healing journey. So, kung hindi nyo pa alam guys, kung hindi nyo pa napapanood tong vlog na to, please panoorin nyo na. And also, this playlist, this is my healing journey. So, ayun, I'm 1 year single this March 31, 2024. Well, I'm forever single naman talaga. I mean, it's been 1 year of healing. So, ayun, yun lang guys, ang masasabi ko lang sa inyo is always take care of yourself, not just physically, but also always prioritize your mental health and also please prioritize your academics. Always put your happiness first as long as wala kang natatapakan tao. And yun, enjoy your life to the fullest, especially when you're young. And always connect to God. And yun, peace. So, I wish you guys nothing but Actually, not just you, but me and you guys, I wish you nothing but more glow up, a high grades, happy life, you know, stable mental health, more peace, safety, and everything. So, yun lang naman guys, and please invest in yourselves, just like how I invest mine. Talagang make an effort to invest in yourself, like save money. Ako guys, yung mga pinapakita ko sa inyo, hindi din siya talagang nabili ko agad. Talagang pinag-ipunan ko pa yun guys, even tong nails ko, everything. So yun nga, that's the value of money. So if you want to, you will, okay? You can, okay? There's no impossible in life. So ayun guys, I think dito na mag-e-end etong vlog na to, and I promise you, gagawan ko na lang ng separate vlog yung journal, planners, and book recommendations maybe tomorrow or next week. So dahil Holy Week naman na next week, so walang pasok. So, ayun guys, I think dito na mag-end tong vlog na to. Please, please, please do not forget to like, comment, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And ayun guys, I hope you like this video and I hope you enjoy watching this video as much as I do enjoy filming this video guys. And ayun lang guys, I love you all.